Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan Performante, and this is by Bburago, and this is the 1:24 scale. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So okay. Okay, let's keep the box here. Okay, hopefully we remove that. Yeah, so let's keep this aside. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay guys, here it is. So here is a closer look. So this looks really nice. The paint job and finish looks really amazing. Okay, this spoiler is actually made of plastic, and the rims looks really awesome. I like this one. So one thing I really hate about this particular model is, see, for the price range which we are paying for this, they could have just simply put this, you can see this Y kind of things, right? It is supposed to be inside the light, not, it's just painted on this one. So I will give you a best example for the price range. So let me just take any one of the Kinsmarts. So this is a Kinsmarts Lamborghini Huracan. So look at this. This is not painted, it is literally inside that light as a part of it. I don't know why Bburago did this, and I bought this for around like 3,200 rupees in Indian currency. So which is actually very high for this model, because it doesn't have any openable hood or openable engine bay, because engine bay is like, you can just see it. You can't open this one, but you can open the doors here. Let me see if the steering wheel is, yeah, you can push the steering wheel down and up, but it is not, I don't know if it is broken or something. Okay, it is just movable up and down. So let me show it to you guys. You can move the steering wheel up and down like this, but funny thing is, it is not, you can't able to turn this. I don't know why they did this. Okay, fine. Let's see if the front wheels are turnable. Yeah, it is to a certain degree, but not much. Here's the bottom view of it. So the tires are actually made of rubber. So the rear view mirrors actually has some kind of mirror, and it actually reflects. The detailings are neat and it's really great. There are no complaints about that one. So it is written as Huracan Performante, but it is really hard to see even in naked eyes. But I wish they actually had a openable engine bay at least. So even the rear wheels are little bit turnable like this. It's not okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.